Are there any P20 insider facts cleared out? We don't think in this way. This year the whole collect has been abundant. Every day, another spec grew close to the talk process. In any case, it bears rehashing, so here we go. By a long shot, the most energizing part of the two new leaders. The Huawei P20 Pro will have an astounding 40MP sensor utilized for dazzling stills, yet in addition to help the 8MP 3x optical zoom camera, them two cooperating will convey 5x half-breed zoom. There will be a third camera on the back, a 20MP monochrome shooter. The Huawei P20 will highlight the same double camera setup utilized as a part of the Mate 10, that is a 12MP shading sensor with the 20MP B&W sensor. Together, they make for a 2x advanced lossless zoom.